Hello, hello. It's Erica D. James here, and the course creator, launch expert extraordinaire, Shanshera Quinn with me.
Hello, hello.
And we just want to chat with you for a minute to tell you about an incredible free offering we put together. And we're like coming together like the Wonder Twins. Remember those superheroes that were like, you're good alone, but Wonder Twins activate. And so
Yes,
we are
yes, yes.
activating a course called Stand Out from the Crowd, 30 minutes to your own irresistible signature system that potential clients can't resist.
Absolutely. And this doesn't even include all of them. So these are some of the benefits of having your own signature process or signature system. So whatever you want to refer to it as, but the benefits, right? It takes something that's intangible when you're trying to tell people what you do and how you do it and things like that. It takes that intangible thing and makes it tangible. So people know exactly what they get. It helps you to stand out and attract your ideal client because when they hear it, they know, that's for me. It also provides a step by step path to success so that you can get results all the time, right? The same results. If you follow this path, you'll get these results, right? It also allows you to confidently and consistently deliver so that when you talk about your product or your service or your course, you're able to talk about it in a way that you know if they follow your step-by-step process that they're going to get results. So it makes it a little bit easier to promote and sell.
We're so excited to be able to let you jump in and literally shave years off of the process. So we're offering this to you as a freebie. We want you to
Yes.
grab it. And here's the thing, from the time you start to 30 minutes later, you can have your signature system laid out.
Mm.
So sign up below and you will immediately be delivered the Stand Out from the Crowd course. It really is a masterclass, so you can start utilizing your signature system to absolutely grow your following, grow your impact, and most of all, grow your revenue. So we'll see you.
Absolutely.
All
See you
right.
on the other side.
On the other side. Bye.